Hi guys, happy Sunday. So mag-get ready na ta guys kay we attend the mass. Today is Sunday here, so we're going to church. So this is my dress for today.